MailerLite has the most comprehensive feature arsenal in the email marketing industry. It is simple and easy to use, has an intuitive UI, its features are powerful, and has a generous free plan. This video will introduce MailerLite, an efficient and affordable email marketing tool for everyone. By a quick overview. MailerLite is an email marketing tool offered as an online service. It was created in 2010 as a simple email solution suitable for everyone. One of its main goals is to keep things simple. There are no unnecessary features or complicated processes. At the same time, it has probably everything you will need for your email marketing. Its user base is larger than 900,000 and more than 1 billion emails are sent every month. It has a free plan, so you can easily try it and start growing your subscribers. Let's briefly go through most of the features. Some of these features are available only at the premium plan. Embedded sign-up forms. This feature allows you to put a custom sign-up form into your website and turn your visitors into subscribers. Landing pages. Fully customizable landing pages are available for converting new subscribers. You can choose from pre-built templates or create a new one by the drag-and-drop landing page builder. Pop-up subscribe forms. Besides landing pages and embedded forms, there is an option to create dynamic pop-up subscribe forms. Sell digital products. Monetization is possible by selling your digital products directly from landing pages. Subscriber management. The subscriber management interface is easy to use and integrates the subscriber and list management into one place along with segments and interest groups. Unsubscribe page builder. It allows you to build and customize the unsubscribe page in a way that your customers will have a positive experience even when they consider leaving. Website builder. With this tool you can create a professional website by using templates and drag and drop content blocks that seamlessly integrate with all other functions of MailerLite. Built-in photo editing. MailerLite has a built-in photo editor which will enable you to modify your images effectively without the need for third-party software. Drag-and-drop newsletter editor. You can create newsletters easily by using the drag-and-drop editor. No coding is needed. Build simply by adding the pre-built design blocks. Video, social media, and dynamic content such as surveys or countdown timers. Custom HTML email editor allows further customization of your emails and adds special features like snippets, custom variables or even inline CSS. E-commerce campaigns. Various commerce tools are available for creating campaigns. By integrating your e-commerce platform, for example Shopify, you can sync the data of your customers, automatically import your products, and more. File manager. The built-in file manager makes all your uploaded files easy searchable. They can be organized into folders and even integration with Google Drive is possible. Mobile-friendly email newsletters. The newsletters are automatically optimized by MailerLite for mobile devices to eliminate possible layout issues. Newsletter templates. A gallery of various curated templates is available to choose from when creating a newsletter that is updated regularly based on the current email marketing trends. There is even an option to create your own newsletter template. Rich text editor. By now it is almost standard to have a built-in rich text editor which allows easy text editing and formatting. It allows you to insert various blocks into the email including
event tables,
A/B split testing. This feature lets you test the performance of your email campaign by comparing two versions of a single variable. Different email elements are available to test, including subject line, sender name or newsletter content. Auto resend. This function gives the subscriber a second chance to open your newsletter by resending it at a later time. There are more types of resend campaigns, where you can even automatically follow up with a customized personal message. Dedicated IP. MailerLite can provide you with a dedicated email server and unique IP address. This way you can take control of your sender reputation. Deliver by time zone. This feature can ensure that your newsletters are delivered to all subscribers at the same time in each time zone across the world. Email automation. This tool lets you set up marketing automation workflows that will react to the subscriber behavior and trigger some specific automated email follow-ups filled with personalized custom data. Interest groups. Tagging. By tagging, you can break down the subscribers into multiple smaller groups. This allows you to create different interest groups and send custom-tailored newsletters to them. The tagging may be done by the customer itself at the sign-up form by choosing the predefined options. Personalization. The newsletters can be personalized by custom fields such as name or birthday. It is possible to make sections of the email visible to only a specific subscriber group. The personalization can be even automated. RSS campaigns. This feature lets you send out a new newsletter automatically each time your RSS feed gets updated by new content. There are various RSS campaign templates available. Segmentation. It gives you an option to divide the subscribers into smaller groups based on a set of characteristics. The segments will automatically update themselves as the subscriber list grows. Click maps. This feature will make a map visualizing how the subscribers are interacting with your email, including tracking the activity of the individual links as well. Email newsletter reports. MailerLite gives you detailed reports include unsubscribe count, spam complaints, bounces, link activity, and various other metrics. One of the interesting metrics is the so-called opens by location, which will show you a colored world map by the engagement. Developer API. MailerLite has its own API which is built on HTTP and is RESTful. It will enable you to build more sophisticated automations. Official wrappers are available by PHP SDK, though there are various community contributions in Ruby, C#, Node, JS, and Python. Integrations. There is an option to connect your MailerLite account to the most popular web services. There are more than 100 integrations available including Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, MailerCheck, just to name a few. iPad Subscribe app. This app lets you collect subscribers at events or various offline places. The forms are customizable and easy to set up. iPhone Email Marketing App. A manager app is available for iPhone devices that will let you manage your newsletters and monitor the results on the go. MailerLite offers a free plan which includes 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails per month. I recommend checking out the MailerLite website as these numbers and options may change over time. Upon reaching the free limits, there are various options to upgrade for a paid subscription, which will allow as many as 10,000 subscribers and unlimited emails. The premium plans include live chat support 24/7, removal of the MailerLite logo, custom domains, more detailed statistics, and many more extra features. You can purchase some add-ons by which you can further enhance the functionality. These include multiple websites, landing pages, priority support, dedicated IP, and some other extras. MailerLite has an affiliate program offering a 30% lifetime commission for every sale you make. When a referral signs up and upgrades to a paid plan, that will earn you a 30% recurring commission. The affiliate program will give you free professional branding and marketing assets. Also, dedicated partner support is available for helping with the growth. MailerLite has the most comprehensive feature arsenal. It is easy to use. Its features are powerful, and has a generous free plan. It gives exactly what is expected from it. Everything in one place with simple, intuitive UI. Its strength lies in simplicity. The MailerLite website has an extensive comparison table about the prices and features of the most popular email marketing software, which may help you narrow down your decision. If you are looking for an email marketing software, I highly recommend you to choose MailerLite. Its free plan can give you a good start. Try it out. The link is in the description. If you liked the video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Do you already know and use MailerLite? What is your experience with it? Which feature do you consider to be its most useful one? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.